Hi, welcome to day 17 of 30 mixed media cards using your craft supplies at home. You can find all the others on the playlist, on the description below, on my channel, you'll find them. But today we're going to be making this card here. So let's get started.
This is one of my favourite cards in this set of 30, and all it is an ordinary card blank or just a piece of card folded in half and then washi tape. Now if you've never come across washi tape, it's lovely tape for crafting with. It's really easy to handle. You can put it on and take it off. It is really nice, and you can get it in so many patterns, designs, colours. And all I'm going to do is use this set of all different colours and put a stripe of each colour. Now when you're using washi tape, it's really easy to tear. So to cover the front, I'm just making sure I go off either side. I'm not trying to be exact at the ends. It'll be a little bit long. That's not a problem. And you can see I'm just using the colours in the order they came in the packet. I will link to different washi tapes that you can buy on Amazon just to give you some ideas and allow you to go and have a look. But I believe I bought these locally in a craft shop. And you can see I'm just using a selection of colours and I'm just grading them down the page. You could go the other way and do them vertically. You could use different patterns. You could overlay them. Get creative. The whole idea here is that I'm showing how to do a really bright card simply with washi tape. And I hope you agree that it's really effective. And then once you've covered it and you're happy, the best thing to do is to just turn it over, and you can see all those little extra bits that you want rid of and just trim them off. If you have a rotary cutter and a board, that's great. If not, just get your scissors out and trim them off. All those little bits want to stick to your scissors and they want to stick to you, so just persevere. Now I hope you're enjoying this card and you're looking forward to the next steps. So if you are, please give me a thumbs up so it spreads to more people. We could fill the whole world with lovely rainbow coloured cards, or indeed yours might be completely different with your washi tape that you have in your supplies. So just make sure it's all down and nice and firm, and then I'm going to do a little bit of stamping. Now I've got this stamp pad here and I've got some of the acrylic stamps that you put on the blocks. Again, I'll link below so you can have a look at these supplies and see the sorts of things I'm using. And you'll see I'm having a bit of trouble with that ink pad. It's obviously a little bit dry, but I quite like the effect of stamping onto the card. So I'm doing a nice simple butterfly. You can see it's not bold, it's not in your face, but you can definitely see it, and it's quite a nice subtle effect on there. And then I think there's so much going on, I'm just going to add my greeting. Now there's a whole 2 sheets of these greetings for free. You can download them off my website. There'll be a link on the screen and the description below. They suit all occasions, and all I'm doing is sticking it on with some little foam pads. I do like them for getting a 3D effect on your cards. And then I'm simply going to stick that in the middle and leave it at that. So I hope you feel inspired and you're going to go away and make your washi tape cards now.